Here's a very quick and useful addition to the panel gauge I made a couple of years ago. You can still find that video online if you want to make one for yourself. To make this, all I did was created a similar mortise to that in the panel gauge's vents. So I chopped that out in this piece of spalted beech so that it would match. Then cut the sides off, and I chopped the mortise in the long length because it's a lot easier to hold it on top of the bench. So just chop it off to length, and it'll be a case of squaring it up to the mortise and then shaping it. A hole gets bored on one side to take a hardened pin that acts as a pivot, and then a cross-bored hole is tapped to take a threaded machine screw which holds the pin in place. Since the mortise is a copy of the original, then the original wedge can be used to hold the centre point on the beam. It's dead easy to use and makes a great job.